And we can see that by varying the screen grid, we get a current change. Now the screen grid is what we're going to use for volume because it also affects gain. On the diagram, we have the grid, the grid, the screen grid, and the suppressor grid for this tube. What we're doing is we're varying that part here, the screen grid, and that makes it more positive, so electrons coming up from the heater are attracted and more flow across. If it's more positive, then there's less current to the meter. And a small input here on the grid will cause a great current change. Another way to test your tube is to put a variance here, a negative thing. This we can put to ground or leave open. It is biased negatively, and we get a family of curves similar to these for IC, but they curve upwards for each VG voltage, so you can calculate similarly to a transistor. In short, similar to an FET transistor, you can calculate to pinpoint accuracy on that. That's pretty much for now. The coil takes a little bit of time, but everything else is pretty simple and straightforward. And this we will leave open for different amplifiers. Once we hopefully get it to work, we will use other kinds of amplifiers, motor amplifiers, and maybe we build another tube amplifier, but probably it'll be digital amplifier and then a tube amplifier. Then I'm not in a hurry, I'm having fun with this. So here's your ground, where your antenna, your tuning antenna, and your antenna. Here your 100 foot of wire and your tuning capacity and things. It's a very simple circuit. It should be fun to get to work.